everyone. My name's Darryn Yates. I grew up in a small town in Illinois, right by St. Louis, Missouri. I grew up a jock. My parents were both school teachers. My dad was a football coach. In my 10th grade year of high school, I blew out my knee, and I was having lunch with some friends at school, and they said, "Hey, Darryn, since you're not playing sports anymore, would you want to be in our band?" I'm like, "Be in a band? That's crazy." That night, I couldn't sleep. My room was wallpapered in Kiss posters. And so, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do this. So the next day I told them I was on crutches, my knee blew out, and I got into my first band, and I never looked back. The entertainment bug bit me, the music bug bit me. It was awesome. I ended up playing sports my senior year after my knee healed. I had 2 surgeries. I ended up just having to do entertainment. I did shows, it was so exciting for me. So my parents were like, "Well, what do you want to do after high school?" I'm like, "I'm going to LA. So they're like, "Okay, we'll make a deal with you. If you get your college degree, we'll help you get to California." I said, "Okay, a college degree can't be that hard." So I enrolled in Mesa College in San Diego, ended up going to Cal Poly Pomona. I graduated in communications, public relations. And my parents were like, "Okay, you've been out in California for a while now. Are you gonna come home now?" I'm like, "No, I'm just getting started." So I moved to Studio City. I lived in, it was a band house, and I was their roadie and got in with them. Anyway, I just eventually formed my own thing, started my band, and I just lived it. You know, I was so close so many times. I had small record deals. I was out in Greenland, out of all places, overseas, playing for the US troops. I opened for 6 or 7 national acts. You know, I got a little taste of it here and there. We went on tour of the US. We did CDs. I did a video with the actress Lacey Chabert for Mean Girls and Party of 5. Just lived it, did it, it was awesome. Never got the big break, but I ended up, after a while, moving back home. I met a girl, started a family, and then I started doing radio. I got an opportunity to do online morning drive radio. Did that for a while. I ended up starting my own online radio station. I did a local TV show. Anyway, I lived entertainment. Lived it. Never got the big break. And I thought, you know what? I got a family now, I got a wife. I probably should just go into the corporate world, go into 9 to 5. I did that, and I was fired 15 to 20 times. I just absolutely hated it. And my daughter's watching me. Come say hi real fast. She has a Zoom on her, in her school. What am I gonna do? You know, I can't do the corporate world. I can't hold down a real job. I never got a break in entertainment. I hit rock bottom after I got fired in March of 2019. March 7th of 2019, I was escorted out of a corporate job. I got fired. I talked about it on a live I did before. I was set up, well, that's a whole nother story, but I got fired. I was in my car, and that was it for me. That was it. I broke down. I pretended to go to work for a week. I had no idea what I was gonna do next. I had tried everything. You know, I'm well into my 40s. You can see my hairline. I got my kids' names tattooed on my head. That was one way I gave the middle finger to the corporate world, was get my head tatted. But anyway, so I thought, what am I gonna do? After a couple days of feeling sorry for myself and rock bottom and depression and thinking crazy dark thoughts, I started getting excited about the next chapter. I started researching online. I interviewed with a bunch of gurus out there, you know, quote unquote gurus or whatever, life coaches, and I just wasn't sure what to do anyway. So I stumbled upon the One Funnel Away Challenge, and the way Russell explained it, and the way Russell told his story, and the way he framed it and showed the opportunities in the online marketing world, I just saw the freaking light. I saw the light. That journey that I gave up on, all my dreams, my music, my entertainment stuff, all that journey that I thought was for nothing. That was the foundation for me to build a brand online and crush it. So Russell helped me come back with a vengeance. And I've been working ever since the One Funnel Away Challenge that started in April, late April of 2019. It finished in early June of 2019. And I've been failing forward. I've been tweaking and researching and learning and doing everything I could to find my angle and find my vibe, all that stuff that takes, you know, to get clarity on your offer and your message, all that stuff. I'm so excited. You know, right now I'm a mindset accountability coach. I'm an entertainer. For all the people who think that they have to give up on their dreams or gave up on them already, or they're going to give up on them, they hate 9 to 5, they're miserable, I want to help people see the light like Russell helped me see the light. Russell basically showed me that, see, back in the day whenever I was doing my music thing in entertainment, there were gatekeepers. If you weren't allowed into the major label promotion or the big time money to put your CD out there, you know, like all the major labels were the gatekeepers. If you weren't allowed through, you weren't going to get to that national artist level. There's no way. Russell helped me realize that the gatekeepers no longer exist. The only thing keeping you from your dreams and you crushing it all is your work ethic, how bad you want it, being consistent, and looking to help other people. So my whole thing now, yeah, I'm an entertainer, yeah, I'm building a brand, but I want to help other people see the light. I want to help people realize that they can be happy. They don't have to be half happy. They don't have to be miserable. There is a way to go out there, build your brand in any area, as long as you're passionate about it, and embedded in your message is a way to help others, and embedded in your experience is a way to help others. You can do this. So I saw it, Russell helped me see it. Russell saw it, you know, way back when. Sometimes I wish I would have seen it earlier, but if I would have seen it earlier, I don't know if I would have had the chip on my shoulder as big as it is, and it grows every single day. All right, guys, I just want to hop on real quick. I'm with all you guys. Hope to befriend a lot of you guys. As all the mentors say, all the big people who are doing this, they warn you, once you try to better your life and take massive action, there's a lot of people that aren't cool with that. They'll hop off your train. So I'm looking to meet a lot of you. Good luck to everybody out there. You can do this. Let's crush it together. Thank you to Russell, of course, Dean and Tony. They're awesome as well. They rock. Cheers, everybody, with my morning coffee here. And yeah, I'm a still Rams fan. They moved back to LA from St. Louis, but I was following them in LA before they moved to St. Louis. So I'm a diehard Rams fan. All right, guys, I love you. Keep going. You can do this. Let's all do it together. Crush it. Rock on.